Why are you like this? Hi. Hola, mis amores. That's Spanish for hi, loves. Colleen here, back with another video, and welcome to another feast with me. Today, I have broken my 36, 40-hour fast. Why am I speaking like this? What a morning you just saw, right? Before I went to work, I had a coffee. That is my instant coffee. 2 scoops of collagen. Collagen helps with skin elasticity, makes my skin very radiant. It's a very vain use for my collagen, but it also helps with joints, ligaments, and help padding and making sure nothing just snaps and breaks on me. I do have a link down below. It's a commission link, so if you use it, I'll make a little moolah. If you want to support me, I would love if you go ahead and use that link to get the collagen. But if not, even just head to the website. They have a collagen calculator, and you can find out how much collagen you specifically need for your own individual body. So I had a work call for 3:15 a.m. That means I woke up at 2:15, got ready, and boy, was today exhausting. To preserve my energy, I go silent, and when people see me silent, they think I'm mad. I'm not mad, I'm preserving my energy. So that was going on today. During my 10-minute break, I did have a protein bar just to kind of further break my fast. Breaking your fast with fats and proteins is ideal, but since the fast isn't so long-term that your stomach is going to like hurl at whatever you give it, it's not necessary. But if you find your stomach does get upset when you break it with anything, preferably use fats and or a protein blend to break your fast. So that could look like avocado toast, that could look like eggs. I got out at like 9:30. Let me tell you how many steps I got in today. Wow, this is a lot. Over 14,000 steps so far. Then I decided I was not tired enough. I wanted to tire my body out to the max, okay? Like, it feels like maybe like a week and a half I haven't gone to the gym. I've been doing some at-home workouts though. Please check out my workout video that I did, my go-to lower body workout. I'm actually starving at this point because I exercised yesterday on my fast day. I want to see if Corey's doing anything. Corey's my friend. Maybe we could grab some food together because I don't feel like going home. Let me call Corey and see what he's up to. This is not my man or any, like when I tell you that's my friend, like that's legit my homie. He's like 23. Don't even try it. Don't do it. That's my friend. Corey, you done? I'm hungry. Let's go eat. Well, you have to finish exercising first. I don't know. Let's go to Applebee's or something. Do you want to? Do you have things to do? Yeah, I just finished the gym. I'm like starving, but I don't feel like going home. If you don't, I have food at home. I do have shit to do. I do. Yeah. It's 11:39. It's not even 12 o'clock. I'm playing myself. And I got money I have to save. We'll see about that. If I still know you. All right, go do your abs. Do your abs. Okay, bye. Eh.
And it turns out he's gay.
Wow. Pretty little thing got a bag and now she wildin'. In the meantime, in between time, I'm going to have an apple. Ta-da! I was about to film a video and then I realized I actually have therapy. I wish I could get an earlier therapy session because having it in the middle of the day is so annoying. It's like, it's literally annoying and it makes me not want to go because it interrupts it's an interruption. It needs to be earlier. I need to get it out the way like exercise. I'm gonna ask her if she has earlier time slots because this ain't it. I got shit to do. Don't you hate when you hear like sounds and you're alone at home? It is like frightening. Anyways, I love this ponytail. Like I got it from the beauty supply store. It comes loose and I braided it up and that's the only way I wear it. Okay, so I'm gonna go get ready for my therapy session. Hey girl, hey! Did you like my ponytail? I love this ponytail. Yeah, so at 2, I had my therapy session. I've been doing 2 times a week. I've cut it down to 1 time and I've changed it to an early morning session so it will no longer interrupt my day. Not that it's an interruption, but sometimes I'm doing stuff and I don't want to start dreading therapy because it's a distraction or interruption. My mom's in the kitchen and I'm hungry. And you know when your mom's in the kitchen, you just stay out of her way, okay? Just stay out until she's done. I'm definitely making a salad. It's currently 5:03 and all I've eaten, oh, when I was in my therapy session, I had some jelly beans. Easter's around and my kids are like easily swayed by jelly beans, so I just be having them around. Not good, I need to cut the sugar, but I definitely want to make a salad, get some sustenance. The last time I ate was breakfast. It's no bueno. I do need to pick out what I'm gonna wear tomorrow for work. Let's pick out what I'm gonna wear to work. Yeah, I feel like I want to wear this. Jeans. I've been into pink lately. So we'll wear these jeans, this top from PLT, because don't forget, pink keeps the demons away. Sometimes I let the outfit dictate the fragrance, and oh yes, this combo right here. So this is Ari by Ariana Grande. Sweet, fruity with like a marshmallow note, and this is the Dolce & Gabbana Eau de Femme. I want to get this in the full size bottle. It smells incredible. Dries down from sweet to a powdery marshmallow fragrance, and you know I love my marshmallows. These two together, long lasting, sweet, sexy, sensual. Okay. So that's the fragrance for tomorrow. I have like water everywhere. And this is my melatonin that I have at night just in case anyone was interested. I don't take like the full 10 milligrams. 2 gummies equals the 10 milligrams. Sometimes I have half of one, sometimes I have one. But yeah, if you have trouble sleeping at night. Lately I've been sleeping like a baby. You know what, let's use up this Fireside Flurries. Goes perfectly with it. I'm actually gonna keep my hair like this, so I'm just gonna tie it down in the morning and actually wear this ponytail to work tomorrow because, oh, why not? Okay. This lady don't get out the kitchen, y'all. I made my go-to salad. This is the Taylor Farms Bacon Caesar bagged salad. It comes with Parmesan, croutons, and bacon bits. And I put a can of tuna, some avocado, Caesar dressing, added some cranberries, and it is the tastiest, most delicious, yummy salad ever. I crave it, and it's so filling. Fats, proteins, some carbs, all good. Bon appetit. It's currently 7:43 p.m. My salad is holding me down like I'm full, but I just want to top off the tank. And so I'm gonna make a little snack plate. You know, just like some sweets, some salties. It's almost bedtime for me. You know what? I want some tea. That sounds awesome, actually. Put the kettle on. I have some grapes I'm gonna wash. It's like, when do grapes never not hit? Like when, friend? I need to know. That's exactly what I needed. So this is my nighttime snacky snack tray. So this is like my sweet treat with a hit of protein. How much protein is in this? 8 grams of protein, super delicious. Some sweet juicy grapes, some nuts, and some nice warm tea. And that's that. That's all I'm gonna have. If anything, I'll have some more water. It's almost 8 o'clock, done for the night. Remember to eat intuitively. Follow your body. If you feel that you need more sustenance, eat more sustenance. Focus on fats, get more fats into your day. It will help sustain you for your following feast day. Enjoy. Enjoy your food, appreciate your food, because tomorrow you ain't getting none. I would like to thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.